We got some serious cleaning to do. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some spring cleaning in my room. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. It's completely free. Enjoy the video. So the first thing that I'm doing to clean up my room here is I am washing all of my bed sheets, including my mattress topper. Now, usually I wash my bed sheets once a week, but every few months or so, I wash my mattress topper. Here I am loading up the washing machine and putting the Tide Pod in and setting it up to wash. In addition to my bed sheets, I'm also washing a couple of other things as well. Some of the stuff that was in my closet and my Hello Kitty blanket. And here I am getting my bed sheets out of the dryer. And I also washed the tablecloth a bit extra, and I used some bleach because there was some stains in it. And here's a cool transition to me before and after putting my bed sheets on my bed. And also I wanted to show you guys the Hello Kitty blanket. The next task was to clean up my closet a bit because I wanted to rearrange some things in there. And as you can see from this transition, I fixed everything up quite nicely and the tablecloth came out very good. It's all nice and white and clean now. As you guys can see, I spruced things up quite a bit here in my closet and it looks much better. The final thing that I did was I fixed this vision board of mine because it wasn't looking too hot. I ended up painting the border of it white so it matches my room, and I also reattached the vines with much stronger tape. Okay, I have finally finished up all of my cleaning, and cue a very cool montage. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to subscribe. Like I said earlier, it's completely free. Also, be sure to click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!